You are required to infuse 600 ml over 8 hours. That over is literally telling us to do 600 ml sitting over fraction line divided by 8 hours. Let's read on. What rate will you set the volumetric pump at? Well, now we must remember that a pump is always going to deliver it as the fluids as in mils per hour. So if you had a quantity or a volume in liters, you would need to change that to milliliters. And usually this will be given in hours, but if not, you would change it to hours. So what do we do now? Well, we simply use the idea of fraction line means divided by. All we need to do is divide 600 by 8. We can just go to the calculator, but I would always encourage you to try and simplify yourself. So here we look at these two quantities. We can halve them both because they are even. So half of 600 is 300, half of 8 is 4. And we can do it again. Half of 300 will give us 150. Half of 4 will give us 2. And we can do it almost done in our heads. 150 now divided by 2, or else we would get a calculator and enter 600 divided by 8 to have two ways of doing the calculation and backing our calculation up. So 750 mils per hour. Check the question again. What rate will you set the volumetric pump at? Rate has to be always the two quantities with their units and the per. So 75 mils per hour, and that's what the pump should be at.